Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Expensify. Expensify, a comprehensive review for expense tracking and tax preparation. Expensify is a cutting-edge tool designed to simplify expense tracking and tax preparation for individuals, freelancers, and businesses alike. Its intuitive user interface and powerful automation features streamline expense management, organize receipts, and help ensure compliance during tax season. A standout feature of Expensify is its SmartScan receipt capturing technology. Simply snap a photo of your receipt, and the software automatically extracts key information such as the amount, date, vendor, and even categorizes the expense for tax reporting. This is particularly valuable for self-employed individuals and small businesses dealing with a high volume of transactions. Furthermore, Expensify integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, facilitating smooth data transfer for bookkeeping and tax filing. For freelancers and contractors, Expensify simplifies the often complex process of mileage tracking, recording business-related purchases, and managing other deductible expenses. The software empowers users to create detailed expense reports that meet IRS requirements, significantly reducing the time and effort required for quarterly or annual filings. Additionally, Expensify supports corporate card reconciliation and multi-user collaboration, making it a scalable solution for expanding businesses. Expensify also offers automated approval workflows, a crucial feature for teams and organizations with multiple employees. These workflows allow you to establish spending policies, manage reimbursements, and maintain compliance with company and tax regulations. Moreover, Expensify supports multiple currencies, a significant advantage for users engaged in international transactions. Beyond expense management, Expensify facilitates the generation of reports that can be directly shared with accountants or imported into tax preparation software. The user-friendly mobile app allows you to manage expenses and stay organized while on the go. Expensify's tiered pricing structure caters to both individual users and businesses of all sizes, providing a flexible and adaptable solution. In conclusion, Expensify is a reliable and efficient solution for managing expenses and simplifying tax preparation. Whether you are self-employed, a freelancer, or part of a larger organization, Expensify streamlines tedious processes, saves valuable time, and promotes accuracy. Click the links in the description to learn more about Expensify and discover how it can optimize your tax experience.